Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is some house cleaning. Just get rid of those lines up there. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. But the first big update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's where 28 cents is now going to be that primary battleground where if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, I mean, I'm not saying that, the price can never get back up above 30 cents or 32 cents again. I'm just saying before you talk about any of those levels at 30 or beyond, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as not only getting above 28 cents, but then being able to stay up above it. So that'll definitely be the main level of resistance to watch going forward. As far as areas of support are concerned, price found some support at a very important level from a technical point of view, though, and that is this pink line right here, which is the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. In fact, I mean, even if you have a very basic, very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price ideally stay above it, and that's what happened here. You can see several times today, the price got down around that level and held very nicely. So going forward, 25 cents is going to be that initial area of support. If that area ultimately does not quite hold up, next key level of support after that point would be down there at the 24-cent mark. So overall, not the greatest day, but big picture-wise, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.